look guys, already completed. Toromi sauce already done like that. Tofu hamburg with hijiki. I use the ingredients here. Hijiki, tofu no, atsuwagi tofu, mochiri, and oroshi ninjin, and oroshi no, shoga, mix all together, and kombudashi no, menshu, and a little bit amount of flour, mix all together and form in a circle that you want, or even a big or small, it depends to you. I make a big size like this. Okay, so I have here 2, 4, 6, 7 pieces big size of tofu hamburg. Happy tummy, always happy eating. Completed.